Director, respected Placement Officer Dr. Arunachalam, and faculty members, and my dear student friends, very good morning to you all. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Thank you. And I'm sorry for this delay in terms of the start. So what we will do is, in terms of, I'll just take you through the process in terms of what we'll follow today and tomorrow, and then I'll get into your pre-placement talk, in terms of a presentation on Wipro in terms of what is in store for you guys, in terms of what you can expect from Wipro as an organization. So to start with, in terms of the campus recruitment process, we'll start off with this pre-placement talk, which will be, I'll speak for around half an hour, and then we can have a Q&A session where you can ask any questions or clarifications which you may have. And then we will move on to a test, and by lunchtime today we will announce the shortlist of the written test, and we'll start the interviews tomorrow morning, so that you have today afternoon for your preparation. And tomorrow morning we will start the interviews, and by late evening tomorrow we should be able to complete the whole process. So that's how we have structured today in terms of how we will run the campus drive at your college over today and tomorrow. So before I start off, I'd like to thank the management and the placement team of Sai Ram Engineering College for giving us this opportunity to come over here and recruit from your batch, which will be 2011 pass out. So we have been to Sai Ram in the past, wherein we had come to campus also, and last year we did a drive back, the back end of the season. And after some time, this is the first time we are coming during the peak campus season. So from that perspective, we always have a lot of regards for the students from this institution, and I'm sure you will not disappoint us with your performance. Isn't it right? So how many of you are confident that you will get placed in the group? Yeah? That's good. So it's nice to see so many hands coming up, from our perspective also, we'll be more than happy to take as many as possible, and of course, you'll have to meet the requirements of the organization in terms of, it's totally a merit-based process which we run. We are not giving numbers. We don't have any targets that we should hire only so many or we can hire so many. Absolutely, it's a merit-based approach, and whosoever clears our process will be more than happy to take. So with this note, let me get into the presentation, because already we are slightly behind schedule in terms of what we have planned. So all of you know Wipro here? Yes? So how many of you are hearing Wipro for the first time? Okay. So next question is, what do you know about Wipro? No, one at a time. If all of you speak, I may not be able to listen. So one at a time in terms of anything, one liner in terms of what you know about Wipro. It's an IT giant, fantastic. Yeah? Response from this side?
A vegetable oil company transferred to electronic giant.
Vegetable oil company transferred to a technology giant, fantastic. Yeah? Anything else? What comes to your mind when you hear Wipro? Yeah? Yeah, guys, one request is no cross-talking. You should talk to the audience or to me. You should face us and talk, no cross-talking. So anything else which you know about Wipro? All of you said you know Wipro. Yeah, any other responses? You want a mic or something? Azim Premji started the company, okay? Revenue is more than $5.3 billion, okay, great. Okay, so friends, so let me start off. Most of you had it in terms of how many of you have been to Wipro's website? Some of you at least. What is the website? Wipro.com. Okay. So apparently very easy question. So friends, so in terms of how many of you can identify the photograph there? Who is that? Okay, fantastic. So, we are here with a purpose, friends, Today we are here. Yeah, guys, one request is, next half an hour I request silence from your end. Because if you talk among yourselves, then, it disturbs the flow as well as it disturbs the other people who are really interested to listen to the presentation. So, can I take it that next half an hour will be silent? Yes? Yes, sir. I am not able to listen from the last. Yes? Yes, sir. Okay. See friends, we are here with a purpose today. We are here today in your college to, recruit people to be part of our dream team. We say it's a dream team because, all of you are aware in IT industry, it's people who really make a difference in terms of how the organization goes. In other setup like manufacturing, other things, there are machines which will do a lot of things. But in IT industry, it's all a people-intensive industry. It depends on how good the people are in the organization. That will determine how successful we are as an organization. So from that perspective, it's a people-intensive industry, and our success depends on people like you who join us and who really do well. That will mean that we are successful as an organization. In terms of Wipro as an organization, we have a long history. We are as old as independent India. Our beginning goes back to 1945. When we started as Western India Vegetable Products Limited. From the year 1945 to 2010, 63 years, we have been successfully running as a business, continuously making profits. And in terms of, if you really look at the revenue stream today, Wipro is around $6 billion at the population level. $6 billion is really a lot of money, and there are very, very few organizations which generate so much of revenue in a financial year. We can count the number of organizations with figures in terms of which are having revenue of more than $6 billion. And what it really means for people who are aspiring to be Wiproites is that you are looking forward to your career with an organization which has a long history, which brings in stability to the organization, which means the processes are extremely mature, which means your learning curve will be very, very fast when compared to people joining other organizations. That's the first thing which I like to highlight to you guys is Wipro is an organization with long history, more than 60 years of existence, continuously profit making, more than $6 billion of revenue, and more than 1,50,000 employees part of Wipro today. So that brings in the largeness and the security and also stability from your own perspective. And you can see the photograph, that's the first factory, which was set up by Wipro, which you see down. It's in a place called Amalgam, where we had our first factory being set up 65 years ago. 1945 is when we started that factory. And of course, the other thing which I like to highlight is the spirit of Wipro. As an organization, we really strongly believe on ethics and how we run the business. And spirit of Wipro is something which is very, very close to our heart. That's something which we imbibe in all of us, and we breathe in and breathe out in terms of what we stand as an organization. So there are three things to it. One is intensity to win. Next is act with sensitivity. And the third thing is analytic integrity. All the three are equally important. There is nothing that one is more important than others.